What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. Once again, we are out here at this car show, or pre-registration. Me and my son getting ready to go. We already got our registration. We just want to go get our tickets, our passes. The truck is nice. But yeah, this is it. It's gonna be a long weekend. Long weekend. Long and fun weekend. Oh yeah, look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. We out here today, man. We are out here today, Friday night drags. Yeah, so this is what me and my boy do every year. We'll register online and then we'll come out the day before, get our passes and whatnot. That way we're already ready to go so we can come straight through the line. Tomorrow, it's actually 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We're probably gonna do 2 of those days, Friday and Saturday. I think my son might be coming out Sunday, but I don't know. But yeah, it's gonna be nice, man. The weather's gonna be probably about 75. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Got the car all geared up. A little bit more work I'm gonna have to do to it today, cleaning it up and whatnot. But yeah, you can see there's still quite a few people here. You can see there's still quite a few people here getting registered here. Doing the same thing that we're doing. Same thing that we're doing. So once we get our passes, I'm gonna go back out and maybe do a little filming of some of the cars that are parked out there. And then we're gonna get out of here. So I still got a lot of stuff I gotta do. All right, I'll hit you up on the next one. Peace. All right, YouTube, we are back. All checked in. Yes, sir. And we are getting ready to maybe go get something to eat. I'm gonna walk out here and take a look at a few of these cars out here. Just see. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. That's nice. Sounding good. Yes, sir. Man, you don't see many of these anymore. You don't see many of these Continentals. Oh, yes. Nice. Got the hideaway lights in there. Yeah. You don't really see these that much on the road. 2-door, you see the 4-doors, the big boats all the time. But not really the 2-doors. Man, there's not that many cars out here today. Or rather, last year when we came out here, there was a lot of cars the day before, people getting their tickets and whatnot. It's a nice truck right there. Oh yeah, here come all the riders. How you doing?
Oh, how are you?
Good. Yeah, that's nice there. Yep, let me see if my son is out. It's a nice truck, and it's lower too. Oh yeah, super nice. All custom. Yeah. That's nice. Oh, yeah. Sweet. Yeah, man, there's a whole bunch of cars all around on the whole other side already here doing their pre-registration. So yeah, man, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be super nice tomorrow. You got the Chevy Bel Air. It's looking nice. The Krager wheels on there. Oh yes. The pipes coming out of the back. Super nice. Two-tone. All right, YouTube. I gotta go get me something to eat, man. I am super duper hungry. Haven't had nothing to eat all morning. So I'm gonna cut you off and I'll call you back in a bit. All right, peace.